Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to transfer money from one Uphold account to another. This full guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure you're up to speed in this fast-evolving crypto and finance world. Whether you're sending crypto to a friend or managing your own multiple accounts, this process is quick and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you're logged into your Uphold account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to the Uphold website and create one. It's free and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section, where all your assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even fiat currencies are listed. Step 1. Select the specific asset you want to transfer. This could be any cryptocurrency or cash you hold. Just click on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Send or Transfer button, usually right there on the asset page. Click it, and you'll be taken to a form where you can input the details. Step 3. Enter the recipient's information. Since we're transferring to another Uphold account, simply type in their Uphold username or account ID. Make sure it's correct to avoid any hiccups. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to send. Double check for any transaction fees. Uphold might charge a small fee based on the asset, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation screen. This is your last chance to verify the details before hitting Confirm. Once you do, the transfer should process almost instantly for most assets. And just like that, you're done. The recipient will get a notification, and you can check your transaction history to confirm it's gone through. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your Uphold account. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on crypto, finance, and beyond. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.